Are you looking for an essential oil that is calming and soothing, especially around that time of the month? If so, you're gonna love this next video where I talk about Clary Sage Essential Oil, how to use it, and all of its amazing benefits. Well, maybe not all of the benefits, but some of the benefits that come from using Clary Sage Essential Oil. I'm Mandy Sommers, and for the best essential oil education, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. I have been teaching essential oils for the last 9 years, and I can promise you that you're gonna love this video about Clary Sage. This is a powerhouse essential oil. Clary Sage is calming and relaxing, and it is an essential oil that is commonly used for a soothing massage, particularly during menstruation. It also has powerful stress-reducing effects when you use it aromatically, and skin clarifying properties when you apply it topically to your skin. So what is Clary Sage? Clary Sage is a flowering herb in the mint family that is native to Southern Europe. Clary Sage has been used for its therapeutic effects since the Middle Ages. The flowers and leaves are steam distilled for its fragrant essential oil, which is considered to be one of the most relaxing oils of all. When you apply it topically, Clary Sage calms and soothes the skin. So what is Clary Sage Essential Oil used for? Clary Sage Essential Oil is particularly helpful during a woman's menstrual cycle. It is also a key ingredient in doTERRA's proprietary women's blend called Clary Calm. Due to its linalool and linalyl acetate content, Clary Sage can improve the mood and promote calming feelings. For a soothing effect during menstruation, gently massage 3 to 5 drops of Clary Sage into the abdomen, or you can add it to your bath water for a stress relieving soak. So how do you use Clary Sage Essential Oil internally? Due to its chemical constituents, Clary Sage can help soothe the nervous system when you take it internally. You simply take 1 to 2 drops in a veggie capsule to access its benefits. So what does it smell like? Clary Sage has a pleasant herbal and slightly floral aroma that is popularly used in colognes and perfumes. It also helps soothe and balance heightened emotions. Clary Sage is a beautiful essential oil to diffuse for a calming aroma when you're feeling worried or anxiousness. It can also be used to promote relaxation in preparation for a restful night's sleep. Clary Sage blends well with lavender, geranium, ylang ylang, and citrus oils along with sandalwood. So here are 2 fun facts about Clary Sage. Clary Sage is a biennial or perennial herb, and it can grow to be up to 6 feet high. The second fun fact is Clary Sage has often been used throughout history to make love potions. When using Clary Sage, you can put 2 to 3 drops over the abdomen and rub it in when you are dealing with menstrual cycle issues. You can also combine with Roman chamomile and add it to the bath water with a little bit of Epsom salts for a stress relieving bath. Finally, you can diffuse it at night, and if you're interested in finding my Clary Sage Diffuser blend videos, you can click the link in the cards above. And then finally, you might want to add Clary Sage to your shampoo and conditioner to promote healthy hair and a healthy scalp. Those are my favorite things about Clary Sage Essential Oil. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and click that bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Now, as promised, if you click in the description below, you can find the link to download my essential oil usage guide that has over 100 essential oils included in this guide and how to use them. You are definitely going to want this guide, so go ahead and click the link below, put your email in, and it will be sent directly to your inbox. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.